Play the memories one by one, like you are watching a movie that stars someone you don't remember, you barely like. There's something off about the way she smiles, and you can tell it doesn't understand desire, and you just look back. I'll be driving from the east side, driving through some floodlights, driving like I always drive. And all of these old cars that start shaking at 65. Why would I dare stay when you know my voice shakes when I lie? Include me. Yeah, but it's a part of my story. It's a part of my home. It's the smell of my middle school boyfriend's cologne. And the sun still sets calmly. People still fall asleep with our bags at the door and our socks on our feet, 'cause we're getting out of here fast. Wish I could tell you what I'm needing, tell you what I'm wanting, tell you what I've never had. But if you gave it all to me, I wouldn't want you nearly as bad. No, it's not the end, and no, it's not the start. No, it's not the time to cry. It ain't gonna kill you to sleep alone once in a while.